Last summer we decided to explore more of Fire Island, taking a day trip to one of its many beaches, Sailor's Haven, with a trip to Sunken Forest and Cherry Groy. We took a ferry from Sayville, Long Island, and it was just a 30-minute drive. A beautiful boat ride across the Great South Bay that brings you to an almost untouched area of Fire Island. Sailor's Haven is a very special place. It is just a short trip from Long Island but feels like a world away. Feels like you went on vacation. It's a nature preserve on the ocean with the beautiful beaches. Sailor's Haven also offers a visitor center, snack bar / convenience store / gift shop, picnic tables and grills, restaurant and tiki bar, a 45-slip public marina with electricity, water and a free boat pump-out station, restrooms and showers. Ferry service from middle of May to mid-October. Sailor's Haven Beach is one of the best on Long Island. It is a family beach that is free to residents and non-residents. The only charge is for parking at the Sayville Ferry to purchase a ferry ticket. The area is perfect for boaters, swimmers, nature enthusiasts and families. From there, you can go to the Sunken Forest, which is a holly forest. The Sunken Forest can be explored on your own or with a ranger on a guided tour. It is one of the last remaining maritime forests on the eastern seaboard. This peaceful forest consists of approximately 40 acres of American holly, sassafras, and shadblow with meandering boardwalks. Sunken Forest's name is derived from the fact it is sunken behind the sand dunes that protect it from the harsh Atlantic winds, but often is mistaken to be below sea. Fire Island's Sunken Forest is a rare ecological community. This type of maritime holly forest is found behind well-established sand dunes along the Atlantic coast from New Jersey to Massachusetts. According to the New York Natural Heritage Program, the Sunken Forest was ranked as globally rare, meaning there are few remaining occurrences of this assemblage of plants throughout the world. The Sunken Forest is dominated by American holly, Ilex opaca, some of which are estimated to be up to 300 years old. Other trees in this forest canopy include the sassafras, Sassafras albetum, shadbush or juneberry, Amelanchier canadensis, and other hardwoods. Oaks and black cherry also grow in the Sunken Forest. However, none of these trees will grow taller than the unique double dune system which protects them. The forest is sunken behind the dunes. Sailor's Haven is a wonderfully remote location on Fire Island that should not be missed. It is a quiet natural piece of heaven on Fire Island. Its national seashore is wild and uncrowded. The Sunken Forest is an interesting diversion. Enjoy a nice stroll along the sandy dunes with plenty of beaches, ocean and wildlife around you. All the beauty of Long Island at your feet. Known as an LGBT favorite, Cherry Grove is located between Sailor's Haven and Fire Island Pines. The beach is clothing optional and is frequently inhabited with nude visitors sunbathing, though it is not an official nude beach. The eastern dunes have even been nicknamed the meat rack by the locals. Transportation to Cherry Grove is rather limited and is only accessible via ferry or private water taxi. The most common method for reaching the grove is by taking the Sayville Ferry. We took a walk along the sandy dunes from Sailor's Haven. Once there, food and drink options are only a quick walk away. Residents are very active in their community, hosting many cultural events and fundraisers all season long. The downtown area and bayfront has lots of shops and restaurants. Cherry Grove is known for many fabulous places and outrageous events. Among them are the Miss Fire Island Contest, Invasion of the Pines, the Community Theater and the Belvedere Guest House. The founding philosophy of Cherry Grove is to be placed to be yourself. Fire Island is a special place unlike any other place. Either its incredible beaches, it is also home to Robert Moses State Park on the west end, Smith Point County Park on the east end and a national park featuring an 8-mile wilderness preserve. Definitely worth to visit. I hope you enjoyed my tour. See you soon in my videos and do not forget to support me by subscribing. Thank you.